These are the elevators at the Courtyard by Marriott in Starkville, Mississippi, located right across by the Mill Conference Center and the parking garage. These elevators was installed in 2014. It's brand new, 11 years ago. So, like I said, here we go. ThyssenKrupp was setting up 4 fixtures. So here we go. Which one it's going to be? It's going to be this one. Yep. Here it is. Alright, let's go to 4. Here we go. Here are 4. Alright, let's go right down. Let's go right down to 1. These are your fixtures. ThyssenKrupp sitting at 4 fixtures. There's your phone indicator, ThyssenKrupp elevator. Here are 1. Alright, that's it.